Lexus of Maplewood, part of the Village Automotive Group, has been elevating the luxury car buying experience since 1996. Here's the vehicle for you.
The RX 350 is one definitive statement. The 3.5-liter V6 engine provides greater fuel efficiency and produces 270 horsepower. And with the RX 350's available active torque control all-wheel drive, you have no worries at all. The available navigation system on the RX was designed to help keep your focus where it belongs. An available heads-up display projects simple turn-by-turn directions, speed and audio system information onto the windshield in front of you. And with available Sirius XM satellite radio services, you can receive real-time traffic updates along your route. The available pre-collision system can sense an unavoidable frontal collision and automatically retract the front seat belts while preparing brake assist for increased braking pressure when the driver steps on the brake pedal. It's just one of the 21 actively safe features offered on the RX. The 2014 Lexus RX 350, the next chapter of utility vehicles.
We're proud to be the recipients of the Elite of Lexus Award. Stop into Lexus of Maplewood today for outstanding customer satisfaction and a great selection of new and pre-owned vehicles. We're conveniently located at 3000 Highway 61 North in Maplewood, Minnesota.